guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing really well on this super chilly mid-October day. We had our first hard frost last night, which means I'm going to be doing some garden cleanup today. But I wanted to talk to you guys about just a couple of things really quick. First of all, the fall decorating contest. So when I announced this contest, I thought we'd get a handful of submissions, maybe like 30 to 50 at the most. But I think we're somewhere between maybe 200 and 300, closer to 300 at this point, which has totally blown us away. There's so much inspiration and so many beautiful things that you guys have submitted that it's just wonderful. I'm really excited to put all the pictures up, but here's the deal. So I said in that video that we were going to put all the pictures up in an album and you guys could vote, and whoever, like whichever picture had the most amount of votes or likes would win the $100 gift card from Proven Winners. And so that's what we're going to do. It's probably not the best way of going about it in the future. Like, we learn every time we do something like this, we learn. In the future, we'll probably choose a panel of people, just kind of like random people to vote and maybe like pare it down, because it's really hard when you see an album of 300 pictures to like sit there and make it all the way through the end. But I would encourage you guys to do that. Like, make yourself a cup of coffee or a cup of tea and just spend some time poring over these pictures and getting inspired. That's the whole reason why I wanted to do this anyway. I mean, the $100 gift card is just a bonus. So anyway, we'll be posting those pictures here very soon on our Facebook page, so keep your eyes open for that. And then we'll leave them up for a few days for you guys to have a chance to look through them and then cast your votes simply by liking the pictures that you like, and you can vote on as many pictures as you want. And then we will be announcing the video on our Facebook page, and probably I'll put it up on Twitter and YouTube as well. So anyway, keep your eyes open for all of that. And also, I wanted to announce a few of the events that we're planning on attending next year. So we did take this year off of all traveling because we had Benjamin and we just wanted to have a little downtime and just stay close to home, and it's been a wonderful year. But I am excited to get out there a little bit more this next year and meet some more of you guys and just be inspired. These types of events, these shows that we go to, are just amazingly inspirational. So even if you don't have a chance to come, like when we are there, I would encourage you to try to make it if at all possible. So the first one is the Southern Spring Home and Garden Show. That one is in Charlotte, North Carolina. It actually spans over the course of 2 weekends. It's February 22nd through 24th and March 1st through the 3rd. And I believe we are going to be there on the March weekend. Now, none of this is set in stone. I just kind of wanted to give you like a precursor announcement. We'll announce way more details closer to the event date. And then the next one is the Philadelphia Flower Show, which is March 2nd through the 10th. We had a chance to go to this show 2 years ago and it was amazing. And Proven Winners has invited us to come out to both of these shows, as well as the third event, which is the Grand Garden Show. That is August 25th through the 27th on Mackinac Island in Michigan. Now, if you guys have a chance to come to this event, it is amazing. It's a bucket list item. Aaron and I have been able to attend this show twice now, and it's just been such a huge blessing to us. It's like the most amazing vacation ever. It feels like you're stepping back in time when you go onto this island, and the amount of inspiration you gather from the gardens you get to tour and the people you get to listen to is just amazing. So anyway, I just wanted to make sure you guys knew about those 3 events. So anyway, be watching for more details on those as those dates approach. I hope that you guys can make it. So anyway, that's it for this video. Just wanted to give you those announcements, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.